Hello everyone, I am Athar Chauhan. So today I'll walk you through on how a decision tree is built using ID3 algorithm. We'll explore entropy, we'll explore information gain, and see step by step how the final tree is constructed. I'll explain everything in simple and intuitive manner so it becomes very easy to understand. To be precise, this is the last question, the last part of this end sim solution series. So this is the last part. Let's dig deep into what we'll cover through this presentation. We will be working with a small data set of 14 customer records. The target variable is bias computer with 9 customers who said yes, 5 customers who said no. Our predictive attributes include age, income, student, and credit rating. These features will help us predict whether a customer is likely to buy a computer or not. So let's talk about the very first step, base entropy. The very first step in ID3 is calculating entropy, a measure of impurity or uncertainty. For our dataset, the entropy is 0.94 bits. This means that a dataset has moderate disorder. There is definitely a room to reduce uncertainty by finding the best attribute to split on. Now let's talk about the information gain now. Information gain, how we can select the best attribute. ID3 uses information gain to decide which attribute gives the most helpful split. Higher information gain means better attribute for splitting. The process is repeated until we reach pure subsets or no more useful splits. So the goal is simple, reduce entropy as much as possible at every step. Let's see the information gain results. Here were the gains for each attribute. Age is 0.246, student is 0.151, credit rating is 0.048, and income is 0.029. Age gives the highest reduction in uncertainty, so it becomes the root node of our decision tree. Now let's talk about the age-based partitioning. When we split on age, we get three groups. Youth as 5 customers, 2 buy, 3 don't, mixed. Needs further splitting. Middle aged, 4 customers, all 4 buy computers, pure node becomes a leaf. Senior, 5 customers, 3 buy, 3 don't, mixed, needs further splitting. So age. So age helps us separate the dataset effectively. Now let's build the tree. The root node is equal to age. Middle aged directly, yes, pure branch. Youth split using student attribute. Student yes means yes, student no means no. Senior splitting using credit rating. Excellent means yes, fair means no. Different age depend on different attributes, showing context based decision making. Now let's see the final tree structure here. As we can see, the root is age. Age is equal to middle has biocomputers as yes. Age equals to youth have student equals to yes. Biocomputer equals to yes. Student is equal to no means biocomputer equals to no. Age equals to senior means credit rating equals to excellent and biocomputers equals to yes. And credit rating equals to fair means biocomputers equals to no. This tree structure represents the ID3 algorithm's output. Each path from root leaf represent a classification rule. Now let's see extracted if then classification. From this tree, we extract 5 clear and simple rules. Youth plus non-student equals to no. Youth plus student equals to yes. Middle-aged equals to yes. Senior plus excellent credit equals to yes. And senior plus fair credit equals to no. These rules are mutually exclusive, exhaustive, and perfectly classify all 14 customers. Now let's talk about the Gini index check. We also checked the splits using another impurity measure, Gini index. Base Gini is 0.4595. After splitting on age, Gini reduces the most. So both entropy and Gini index agree that age is best root attribute. This gives us confidence in our result. Let's talk about the key takeaways now. Both criteria, entropy and Gini, chose age as the root. This confirms reliability of our decision tree. Final tree, depth equals to 2, 5 leaf nodes, 100% accuracy on training data. Business insights, middle-aged customers always buy. Youth buying depends on student status and senior buying depends heavily on credit rating. These insights can guide targeted marketing and personalized recommendations. Let's talk about the closing state. So that is for this video. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.